Hey guys, Tony here. So I also did, I'm doing my best to try to go through all my questions that people ask me directly through the Q&A that you can ask. I guess it's a new TikTok, like, what is it called? It's a new TikTok, like, feature where you guys can ask questions directly to me and stuff, which is fantastic because that way I don't have to skim through a bunch of comments and look for stuff to respond to, right? And this way I can just go directly in the Q&A and answer basically everything. The question was, what do you trade on Forex, or what type of strategies do you use? Price action, TA, fundamentals, etc. Right? As of right now, the same thing that I use on on stocks is the same strategy that I use on Forex, right? So it's based off of I guess the best way to describe it, it would be called Confluence, which is kind of a customized version of, if you guys have ever heard of Q Banks, he has a video on YouTube called Confluence. You can actually just look it up. It's called Confluence 2.0. It's a pretty in-depth video of what he uses to trade Forex. Mine's kind of similar. It doesn't really use his indicators or Fibonacci. I don't really use fibs all that much. All I really use is price action. I use the stochastic and I use the MACD. To give you guys a rough idea of what I'm actually doing. So as of right now, I'm doing like a combination of trading where I'm actually beta testing a Forex EA, which does the trading for me, right? It basically trades for me. Like, it's pre-coded. I'm looking at the code. I'm looking to see how it actually performs and what the returns look like. So far, it's been absolutely great. It's made me a couple grand by literally me just being hands-free, right? That's completely different video that I'll talk to a different day. That's not gonna be, a lot of people ask me, are you gonna be releasing that anytime soon? Probably not. Like, in order for me to actually, I don't like selling shit to people, right? I'm not even affiliated with this company, right? It's just a buddy of mine who's testing his EA, and I'm just kind of beta testing it for him. Eventually, I'll probably put it out. Someone's like, I made a comment on some video and I thought it was funny. What's it called? What's the time about? TA. That's a video for a different day. The EA, which I'll talk about. I don't like suggesting things or recommending things until I tested it out myself for like a very long time and it's consistent, right? So I'll probably be testing it out for like a year, and you guys won't hear anything about it again for till next year, early 2022 or something like that. Anyways, a quick breakdown of how I trade. It is based off of price action. I set all of my price action on the day chart, which you guys see all these purple lines right here. And then on my entries, I only take entries after or on actual on price zones. So whenever you guys see me actually do if I actually take a trade in Forex, it's only going to be based off of these purple lines. So in between these purple lines, this blank space in between these purple lines, you will never ever see me take a trade in between those blank lines, right? Obviously this trade's here open. These are done by the EA, not myself. But that's basically kind of the way that I'm trading. I will be explaining a little bit more in depth. This is just kind of a quick overview. TA is based off of the MACD, the stochastic to determine floors and tops, and then the MACD for bearish, bullish momentum, and then price action basically. So that's how I'm trading Forex. I still have to make a video, like an in-depth TA on how I set everything up. More than likely it's gonna be straight up on the mobile. It's gonna have the same sort of video format like all my videos are. It's me just basically doing this on my phone, because I had to get used to doing it on my phone, because being on the desktop, and it just takes too much time, right? So I'm a dad. I have my wife, my little baby, and if I want to do certain things, it has to be on the fly, man. It has to be quick, otherwise I can't really sit down for 3-4 hours and trade and stuff, right? That's why I kind of pride myself in being and trying to be as accurate as possible. So I really only take a trade unless I think it's at least 90% gonna hit, right? That's what I think is gonna happen. But quick overview. Just it's based off price action. It's based off the MACD and the stochastic. The MACD lets me know what bearish bullish momentum is, the strength of it. The stochastic gives me a rough idea of us creating bottoms or tops. And then I only trade based off of price action on the actual chart. And then I only take trades on those actual price lines. So I'll see you guys later. I'll go more in depth into this for those that want to know a little bit more about Forex. But after that, you know, I'll see if I have time to finally make that full video in depth of how to actually trade on Forex and what my strategy is.